Oppo Reno 13 series is expected to launch soon as the successor to the Oppo Reno 12 lineup. It will likely include a base Oppo Reno 13 and an Oppo Reno 13 Pro variant. The Oppo Reno 13 series is said to launch in China on November 25th, according to a Weibo post by Tipster Digital Chat Station. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is said to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. Reno 13 Pro could have a 6.78-inch quad-curved OLED display with 1.5K resolution. Its predecessor had Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is tipped to get a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Oppo Reno 13 Pro is expected to support 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The phone will reportedly carry a 5,900 mAh battery. It will likely feature IP68/69 dust and water resistance rating. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.